Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce to you my new friend in the kitchen. It's the Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer. This air fryer is very good. It's a 4-in-1. You can use it to air fry, of course, and you can also use it to bake, to roast, and also to reheat any food you already made. So if you want to learn how to make all those beautiful recipes with this air fryer, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of those beautiful recipes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox our air fryer. Okay, so I'm going to take those off. Of course, it comes with all this stuff in, and let me see how I can take it out easily. Okay, so I just unboxed my air fryer, and this is what I have, this beautiful shape of air fryer. And also it comes with a guard. You have to read this guard before you start anything with this air fryer. That way you're not surprised about anything. It's a 4-in-1 air fryer. You can use it to bake, you can use it to air fry, of course, you can use it to preheat, and also you can use it to roast some chicken. And this air fryer have an air vent on top. And of course it comes with the air fry basket. This is a very large capacity. It can take up to 2 pounds of fries and up to 4 pounds of chicken. A whole chicken can fit in this tray. Yeah, this is very, very amazing. Of course, before you use it, you have to make sure you remove all these papers. You have to make sure there's nothing inside, like a paper or a plastic bag or whatever you can find. This is how the back look. Pretty nice, and it's a very nice size of air fryer, very beautiful, very fancy. Of course it comes with power cord, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it and see how it works. Okay, so I just plug it, and here, this is the panel right here, the control panel. We have air fry, we have roast, we have bake, and we have reheat. You can air fry anything you have, like fries, like potatoes, anything you want. You can also roast chicken, and you can also bake cake or bread or whatever you want to do. And also here, if you already have something already cooked, you can just go ahead and reheat. So this is how you set up the time. You press what you want to do: air fry, roast, bake, or reheat. And then you set up the time, and then you set up the temperature, and then you preheat it, and then here we go. Very easy. So let's do something like you press air fry, and you want to air fry maybe something for like 30 minutes. So you press time, and then you set up to like 30 minutes like that, and then you press temperature. If it's 350 degrees, you go ahead and start. Yeah, go ahead and preheat. So this is how it look. Yeah, pretty decent, pretty nice. So we're gonna pretty much use it in our future videos. Yeah, we're gonna make some very nice recipes. So if you want to see those recipes, you have to make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then you hit the notification bell. That way you won't gonna miss any of those beautiful recipes. Yeah, so this is pretty much how it look. Very, very nice. Okay, so I just showed you my new best friend in the kitchen. So if you want to see those recipes I'm gonna make with this beautiful friend, stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of those beautiful uploads I'm gonna make. So stay safe, and I see you next time.